Hello, I'm Susan Michaelis. I'm the owner and agronomist of Fattoria Ambra, together with my husband, in Carmignano, Tuscany. Today we are tasting Barco Reale di Carmignano 2019. Barco Reale is named after Parco Reale, which was the royal park of the Medici family. This wine is made mainly from the young vines of two of our crews, which are Santa Cristina in Pilli and Montefortini Podere Lombarda. This wine is aged in glazed cement tanks for 7 months, and a small part ages in French oak tonneau. The blend is mainly Sangiovese, with 10% of Cabernet, which is compulsory in the appellation, Canaiolo Nero, and other red berry varieties which are approved in the region. So, the color is a bright ruby red. On the nose, this wine is intense, it's complex, although it's called, let's say, the young Carmignano, but in quality it has the same quality of all other wines. Then there's a note of red fruit, of small underbrush berries, of violets, and in the mouth it is full with a very pleasant acidity. It's persistent and elegant. Drink this wine every day. It can be considered an everyday wine, and with rice and pasta dishes with vegetable or meat sauces, and it's also excellent with all white meat dishes. So I hope you will enjoy our wine, and thank you for your attention.